orthographic projections. Before I am explaining about the orthographic projection, first of all I am explaining about what I mean by a projection. Projection. A projection means a projection is nothing but an image or a drawing of an object is we can call it as a projection. So a image or drawing of an object made on a plane is we can call it as the plane of projection. So here if you see that here an observer seeing an object. So an observer seeing an object through the observer. From the observer eye, the rays of vision goes in this direction through the object, and on the plane of projection we can see the image of the object. So that image of the object is we can call it as the projection. So here the rays of vision or line of sight is we can call it as the projectors, or line of sights, or we can call it as the projectors. So the line of sights are popularly called as the projector. And what I mean by plane of projection means the plane on which the drawings are made. The plane on which drawings are made are called as the plane of projection. And coming to the orthographic projection. Orthographic projection means, so it is derived from the two Greek words ortho and graphic. Two Greek words, orthos and graphic. Orthos means perpendicular and graphic means drawing. So orthographic means perpendicular drawing. So that means orthographic projection means a parallel projection in which the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. Then the projection is, we can call it as the orthographic projection. So, in case of orthographic projections, the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. Then the projection is said to be an orthographic projections. The main objective of orthographic projections is, it will show, suppose if you take the three-dimensional dimensions. So, from the three-dimensional diagrams, we will draw the one view. So these three-dimensional views can be converted into two-dimensional views of the object in each views. So the main objective of this orthographic projection is, so the 3D views, that means the three-dimensional views can be converted into two-dimensional views. So that is the main objective of the orthographic projection. So if you saw that, so in orthographic projection, the planes are very, very important. So we have three types of planes. One is vertical plane, second one is the horizontal plane, and the third one is, we can call it the profile plane. Profile plane. If you show that the diagram is a three-dimensional view, here I am drawing horizontal plane and drawing vertical plane. For drawing horizontal plane and vertical planes are intersecting, that line is, we can call it as the reference line or XY line. Suppose if the observer is here, so this horizontal and vertical plane forms the four quadrants. We can call it as the first quadrant, second quadrant, and third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. In orthographic projections, we can call it as first angle projection, second angle projection, and third angle and fourth angle projection methods. So first one is what I mean by the vertical plane. So vertical plane is nothing but, we can call it as the front reference plane also. This vertical plane is also, we can call it as the front reference plane. It is assumed to be placed vertically. So it is assumed to be placed vertically and it is denoted by VP. So we can call it as, simply we can call it as VP, means vertical plane. And coming to the horizontal plane. So horizontal plane is also known as horizontal reference plane. Sometimes we can call it as the ground. So ground plane or horizontal reference plane. It is assumed to be placed as horizontally and it is denoted by the symbol HP, capital H and P. It is always perpendicular to the vertical plane. So this is about the horizontal plane. And coming to the profile plane. For drawing the side views, so we can use the profile planes. So a profile planes is nothing but a plane which is perpendicular to the both the above planes. That means a plane which is perpendicular to the both the above planes, that means horizontal and vertical planes, is known as profile plane. The plane on the right end of the planes is, we can call it the right profile plane, while the plane on the left end of the plane is, we can call it as the left profile plane. Okay, these profile planes are drawn perpendicular to the two planes, horizontal plane and vertical plane. And coming to the another important one, that is reference line, or sometimes we can call it, so we can denote it with XY, or we can call it the reference line. So reference line is nothing but the line of intersection. The line of intersection between the principal planes is known as the reference line. It is popularly named as XY line. XY line. I am already discussing about, in this diagram, both the horizontal and vertical planes are form four angles, angle of projections. We can call it as the first angle projection, or we can call it the first quadrant, first angle projection, second angle projection, third angle projection, and fourth angle projection. In diagrammatic representation also I am representing. So suppose if the object is in first quadrant, so we can treat it like that. So this plane is, we can call it as the horizontal plane, and this plane, this vertical, this one is, we can call it as the vertical plane. So this is the first angle projection. So this is the first quadrant, look like a first quadrant, and this line, so the line of intersection between the horizontal plane and vertical plane is known as the XY line. And coming to the second angle projection is look like that. Second angle projection, the observer is placed here. So this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane, and this is the line of intersection. This line of intersection is, we can call it as the XY line. So this one is the object. So whenever an object is, we can see the object in the front direction, front view direction. So this one, the object is, we can call it as the front view. The front view can be seen on the vertical plane in this direction, and the object can be seen the top view. So the top view of the object can be seen on the top direction, from the top direction. So the top view of the object can be seen on the horizontal plane. So here in the plane of projections, in all the projection methods, always the horizontal plane will be rotated 90 degrees clockwise, like that. So whenever horizontal plane rotates 90 degrees clockwise, so both the horizontal and vertical planes will be on one line. We will get on one line. And coming to third angle projection, the third angle projection is like that. The third angle projection like that. So this is the symbol. This is the direction. So in this direction, so the top view of the object can be seen from the downward direction, and front view of the object can be seen from the front direction. Okay, and this is the fourth angle projection symbol, fourth angle projection, like that. Okay, so I am discussing one by one here. First angle projection. If the object lies in the first quadrant, that means if the object lies in the first angle projection, then the method is known as the first angle projection. So I am drawing here first angle projection. Suppose I am drawing a two-dimensional view here. I am drawing horizontal plane and vertical plane, like that. I am taking a rectangle here, and so the direction of the front view is like that, and the direction of the top view is like that. So whenever an object can be seen from the front view, so we will get a line here, and whenever an object can be seen from the top view, so we will get the top view on the horizontal plane. Okay, so when the object lies in the first angle, so the position of the object is above HP and in front of the VP. So this is the position of the object. This one is very, very important. The position of the object is, by using that position of the object, we can solve the different problems in different methods. Coming to the next one. So here, what do you mean by the front view? So front view, the view of an object by observing it from the front. The view of an object by observing it from the front and drawn on the vertical plane is known as the front view. Simply it is denoted by FV. And top view. Top view means the top view of an object by observing it. The view of an object by observing it from the top and drawn on the horizontal plane is known as the top view, and it is denoted by capital TV. And next one is side view. Side view, the view of an object by observing it from the left hand side or from the right hand side drawn on a profile plane is known as the side view, or we can call it as the end view. So I'm showing the layout of the first angle projection also. For drawing the layout of the projection, I'm taking the best example for this book. So this book is look like a three-dimensional object. So whenever the object is in the first quadrant like that, so I'm drawing the images of this object in front view and top view and also in side view. So this is the direction of the front view, and this is the direction of the top view, and this is the direction of this is the direction of the side view direction, and this is the direction of the another side view. So this is the left side view direction and this is the right side view direction. So I am drawing the top view and front view and side views of this book. So this is the layout of the first angle projection. So this is the layout. For that one I am drawing a XY line. Above the reference line, that means on the vertical plane, we will get the front view. So the front view of an object will be shows as the length and height of the object. So below the reference line, after drawing the front view, draw the projection lines like that, and we will draw the top view. And belonging to the top view, we will draw the meter belonging to the top view. So we will draw the another reference line. So these lines, so draw the another reference line x1, y1 in this direction, also in this direction. And from the intersecting point of xy and x1, y1, draw the meter line with an angle of 45 degrees. And draw the projections from the top view and draw the projections from the front view. Construct the left side view and right side view like that. So this is the layout of the first angle projection. So from the layout, so I am discussing one by one. So from the layout of the first angle projection, the front view always obtained. So not only this layout, so always the front view in the first angle projection, always the front view will be obtained above the reference line or on the reference line or on the XY line. It will shows the dimensions of the front view will be shows as length and height of the object. Okay, so this is the front view of front view. So the top view always shows that the top view always obtained below the reference line. In the first angle projection, the top view always obtained below the reference line or on the reference line or on the XY line. It will show the dimensions of length and breadth of the object. And coming to the side views. So the side views always obtained belonging, that means on either side of the front view, we will get the side views. So at the right side view, at the right side of the front view, we will obtain the left side view, and at the right side of at the left side of the front view, we will obtain the right side view. So the side view will shows the breadth and height of the object. So this is about the top view, front view and side views in case of first angle projection. And coming to, for drawing the side views in the first angle projection, for drawing the side views, so we will draw the another reference line x1, y1 which is perpendicular to the reference line xy. So after drawing the x1, y1 line which is perpendicular to the reference line, so from the intersecting point of the reference line x1, y1 and x1, xy, from the intersecting of xy and x1, y1, we will draw the meter line with an angle of 45 degrees in the direction of the top view. In the direction of the top view, so I am showing here, in the direction of the top view. In the direction of the top view, we will draw the meter line with an angle of 45 degrees and draw the projections from the top view and front view and draw the, and we will obtain the side view. So this is the layout of the first angle projection. So in the first angle projection, so on the reference, above the reference line, we will obtain the front view, and below the reference line, we will obtain the top view belonging, that means besides of the, so belonging to the front view, we will obtain the left side view and also right side view. So this is about the first angle projection. And coming to the another one is third angle projection. Third angle projection means if an object lies in the third quadrant. If an object lies in the third quadrant, if the object lies in the third quadrant, I am already explaining. Third quadrant means how we will get the shape of the third angle projection. So third angle projection means, so the horizontal plane is like that and vertical plane is like that. So this is the symbol. So this is the symbol. Third angle projection layout. So the third, whenever object is in the third angle projection, when the object is in third quadrant, draw the projections of that object. So this method is, we can call it as the third angle projection method. So when the object is in the third quadrant, so I am showing here I am showing the diagram also. So I am showing the horizontal plane and drawing the vertical plane. Drawing the horizontal and vertical plane, and this is the object here in a two-dimensional view. So this is the object. So this is here we have an observer seeing the object from the front. So on the vertical plane we will obtain the front view. An observer seeing the object from the downward direction, so we will obtain the top view on the horizontal plane. So this is the layout. So this is the construction of the third angle projection. So coming to the layout of the third angle projection, so here I am already telling that in plane of projection, in all the projection methods, always the horizontal plane will be rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Whenever the horizontal plane rotated 90 degrees clockwise, so the top view will be obtained above the reference line, the front view will be obtained below the reference line. And this the intersection line, the intersecting point of XY, horizontal plane and vertical plane, this point is, we can call it as the XY line. So I am drawing the layout of the third angle projection. So draw the reference line XY by using a 2H pencil and draw the front view and top view. First of all, we will give the preference to the front view. First of all, we will draw the front view. Where we will draw the front view? So in the third angle projection, the front view will be obtained below the reference line. So I am drawing the front view of the book. Whatever. So the book is in three-dimensional view. I am drawing the front view of that book. So this is the front view of that book. The front view of that book represents about the length and height of the object. After drawing the front view, we will draw the projectors in vertically upward direction and we will draw the top view. Take some distance from the reference line and draw the top view. The top view of the object will show about the length and breadth of the object. So after drawing the front view and top view, we will draw the side view. For drawing the side view, I will draw the another reference line from the front view. You can take some distance, 10 to 15 mm distance, and we will draw the another reference line x1, y1 at the right hand side and also at left hand side. So this xy and x1, y1 line will intersect at one point. So from that point, we will draw the meter line with an angle of 45 degrees. And after drawing the meter line, from the top view and from front view, draw the projection lines in a horizontal and vertical manner, and we will construct the right side view and left side view. So in the third angle projection method, at the right side of the front view we will obtain the right side view, and at the left side of the front view we will obtain the left side view. But in the third angle projection, both the front view and side views will be obtained below the XY line, but only the top view will be obtained above the reference line or on the reference line. So this is about the third angle projection method. So this is the key points about the third angle projection. coming to the another methods. Another methods are second angle projection method is also there, and fourth angle projection method. So second angle and fourth angle projection methods. So if the object lies in the second quadrant, draw the projections of that object. Projections means here draw the front view, top view of the object. Projections means that one. So draw the projections of that object. Thus this method is, we can call it as the second angle projection. So when the object lies in the second angle projection, so I am showing here, when the object lies in the second quadrant or second angle projection, I am drawing in the diagrammatic manner also here. When the object lies in the second quadrant, this is the layout of the second angle. So second angle projection, when the object lies in the second quadrant, the position of the object should be above HP and behind VP. Above HP and behind the VP. So this is the position of the object when the object lies in the second quadrant. Okay, coming to the fourth angle projection method. So when the object lies in the fourth quadrant, draw the projections of that object. This method is known as the fourth angle projection method. So this is the symbol, this is this diagram representing about the two-dimensional view of that fourth angle projection method. So when the object lies in the fourth angle projection method, so the position of the object should be here. So with respect to the horizontal plane, it should be below, and with respect to the vertical plane, it should be in front. So the position of the object when the object lies in the fourth quadrant, below HP and behind the VP. So these are the very, very important one. So I am showing. So in the second angle projection method, so the observer can see the object like that in the front view and also top view. So in the front view, so whenever an observer can be see from the direction of front, so we will obtain on the vertical plane we will obtain the front view, and whenever an observer can see the object from the top view direction, so we will obtain the top view on the horizontal plane in the second angle projection. And here always horizontal plane rotates 90 degrees clockwise. Whenever horizontal plane rotates 90 degrees clockwise, both the horizontal and vertical plane will be obtained on one line. Okay, so and similarly fourth angle projection method also. So this is observer can see the object from this direction. So this is the front view direction and this is the top view direction, and we will obtain on the vertical plane we will obtain the front view, on the horizontal plane we will obtain the top view, like that. So now I am drawing the layout of the third layout of the second angle and fourth angle projection. So whenever both the front view and the top views will be obtained on one line, in the second angle projection I am already telling that both the front view and top view will be obtained on one above the reference line. But in the fourth angle projection method, both the front view and top views will be obtained below the reference line or on the reference line. So we will get the front view and the top view dimensions I am drawing here. So from this second and fourth angle projection methods, so we can call it as, so in both the two cases, that means in second angle and fourth angle projection methods, there is a possibility of overlapping. So here there is a possibility of overlapping both the front views and top views after rotating the horizontal plane 90 degrees clockwise direction. So about the reference line XY and making coplanar with the vertical plane. So thus these two methods of projection, these two methods of projections are not useful in practice. So these type of two projection methods are not used in engineering drawing purpose. Okay, so only first angle and third angle projection methods are used in engineering drawing purpose. Okay, so because in second and fourth angle projection methods, both the front views and top views will be obtained either in upward direction above the reference line. In second angle we will get the above the reference line, and in fourth angle we will get the views below the reference line. So here some confusion may occurs because both the top views and the front views are overlapping with each other. So some confusion may occur, so that this type of projection methods are not useful in practice. So this is about the first angle, second angle and third angle and fourth angle projection methods. And coming to the symbols which are used in first angle and third angle projection methods. Symbols. Actually these symbols are used in title blocks. So in title blocks we can draw the symbols of first angle projection. In our India we can mostly use the first angle projection. So that in drawing, whenever we will draw the title block, we will represent the first angle projection. That means angle of projection symbol, first angle projection symbol. How it will be obtained, we can show here. So the front view and the top views in the first angle, and third angle, both the front view and the top views do not overlap with each other and gives clear picture when the object is placed in the first angle and in third angle projection method. Thus internationally only these two methods are adopted for the engineering drawing practice. So the symbols of first angle and third angle projection methods can be obtained from a frustum of a cone. So this is the diagram of frustum of a cone. This frustum of a cone having a large diameter, large circle and also small circle. So large circle and small circle. Whenever a frustum of a cone placed horizontally, so we will see the front view and also the side views. That front view and side views are the symbols of first angle projection methods. We can first angle projection and also third angle projection methods. So we can draw the front view and the side view here. So if you see that this is the front view direction, if you see the object from the front view, we'll see the front view is like that. So we'll draw the front view like that, and this one is this circles represent. So side view direction, whenever you can see the object from the side view, you will get the circles. So that big circle and small circle is, we will draw that like that. So front view and left side view. So this is the symbol of first angle projection, and this is the symbol of third angle projection methods. So this is about the introduction of orthographic projection.